Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Thursday, Feb 27th, 2025. Here's the daily frame coming in. Same thing every day, guys. Boring, but mastering a single defined process, repeating the same thing every day instead of trying to be a jack of all trades and a master of none. The daily frame, guys, big drop down. Of course, the last 5 or 6 sessions. And then yesterday we had an inside day. Today we have an inside day of an inside day. So a contracting pattern. You see that here on the S&P as well, although yesterday was a cascading up day for the S&P temporarily, and we had an outside day on the Dow yesterday, and now we have an inside day, so kind of a mixed picture. But of course I'm very much focused here on the NASDAQ since that is my instrument of choice. The trading grid, guys, here's the daily. As I mentioned, inside day, right? Big leg down. We now have a negative moving average configuration in the daily, of course, 9 below 21. That is not positive for the bulls and for the longs. On the 30-minute time frame, guys, always watching this very, very closely. There are those down days, of course, down days and down day, down move, I should say, but an inside day. And now coming in, grinding back up to a fairly key zone from yesterday, actually a very key zone from yesterday for the 24-hour period, and up here getting closer to this very key zone. Lots of selling happened here, lots of selling happened here. We are now opening into the New York session again. Same participants, right, that did all this are going to be here again, many of them. Some of them will still be interested in selling, some of them will be done selling. You get the idea. So we don't know exactly what they're going to do here on the open, but that's what we're here for, right? To find out. There's the open range of the London session. There's the Asian open range. 3 a.m. guys, rallied, pulled all the way back, bounced back up again, right? Go figure. Open ranges matter. I'm going to leave that for now, guys, just to see how, actually, you know what? I'm going to take it out, keep things nice and clean. Is this the one? Nope. Is this the one? Yeah, it's the one. And we are open now, guys, on the New York session. Dropping down here immediately. No bias coming in here, guys, as indicated by the daily and the 30. But I have some ideas, as I just outlined to you. Ideas of where things may go. But I'm open to anything. And I hope you are too. Here are the two sisters, NASDAQ and S&P 1-minute charts. There's that bouncing off of VWAP, which also happened to be the London open range, if you remember. I'll be very patient here, guys, on the open. There's the open range. 32 points on the NASDAQ. 5.5 points on the S&P. Just hanging around here in balance on the S&P, of course, meaning at volume weighted average price. All right. So we have an inside day on the daily with a bullish body. We have a inside opening candle here on the 30-minute chart, but coming down from a fairly important zone. So this is giving me kind of neutral to bearish vibes. This is giving me neutral to bullish vibes. And this is giving me neutral vibes. I'm really vibing this morning. Nothing for me to do here, guys. And pushing up now, guys, on both the NASDAQ and the S&P. Not touching this yet. We do have this very important zone here. Why is it important? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks, stopping a drive up on the open with massive volume of the open market, of course, and then driving down sharply from there. Lots of stopping pressure and selling power. We could absolutely get a break above yesterday's high, guys, maybe even the day before, which would be Tuesday's high, and that could be a strong momentum shift to the upside here. But I want to see some confirmation of that first. Really need to get through here for me, I think, or certainly give me some structure here to work with first. And dropping back down again at those key zones. Just sent this to my Telegram group. If you're not a part of that, come on over. The link is in the description. All right, guys. Flipping back over here. This is just a marker, guys. Not doing anything yet. Wait for that candle to close. "22 seconds left in that candle. Actually, I'm going to let that go. Sell stop order, guys, and I'm in, right there. Sell stop order was triggered right there below, guys. I am short the NASDAQ, and I'll explain this in a moment. But for now, it's the patience game. So why am I short, guys? Well, we have an inside day permissible to both longs and shorts. We had an attempt up higher, driving down from that key zone that I mentioned. There's not much more to say. We have some smooth sailing here, and 1 hour should not be too much of a problem, although I might have just jinxed it at this point. My stop is inside of the open range, of course, and just above that big shift candle where that selling began in earnest. No guarantees here, far from it. There will be dip buyers here in full force, trying to stem the tide of the selling. 9 below 21, both EMAs dropping, session low after the first closing candle. So break and close beyond the open range. Target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits. And the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even. Target 2 has been hit, guys, so the 1.5 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits. And there it is, guys. All 4 models fully profitable. Thanks for being here. Have an amazing day. I appreciate you. Talk soon.